The supervision and control over your business that Neotel offers you with its monitoring module allows you to keep track of the evolution of the staffing you charge and the treatment your client receives. Get a record of outgoing and incoming calls from your company with a call recorder. No need to buy or install hardware, staying for 2 months available to download where and when you want. With the Spy and Whisper module, listen to any calls made or received by your company. Contact the operator who is speaking with the client to guide him on the call without being heard on the other side of the line. Control and improve the training of your workers. And all this without installation. Neotel is responsible for connecting the Spy and Whisper to your company's telephone network. Finally, if you make sales or contract by phone, you can call your users and verify those sales with third-party verification. The Neotel monitoring module allows you to know the quality of your service to the customer, being a learning and training tool that will have a positive impact on your external communications. Neotel. Control for your business.